Hi students, welcome back to Similarity chapter, and today we are discussing the very important theorem of Similarity chapter, and this is also the last theorem of this chapter. Theorem is when two triangles are similar, ratio of the areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So this we need to prove. So let us see how we can prove this. First, we write the given triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So as we can see in the diagram, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Both the triangles are similar. Right, students? Next, AD is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, PS is perpendicular to QR. Look. AD is height and BC is base. Other triangle, PS is height and QR is base. Now next, what we need to prove? We have to prove that ratio of areas of two triangles is equals to square of their corresponding sides. Right, students? So this we can prove. How we'll prove it? Let us see. Proof. First we'll select the triangle. We can see two triangles, triangle ABC, another triangle PQR. Both the triangles are having different base and different heights. Right, students? So let us start. First we'll write ratio of areas of two triangles. Now the first triangle is ABC. Another triangle PQR is equals to, now what do we know? Both are having different base and different height. So we'll write product of their base and height. Product of their base and height. So what is the base of first triangle? First triangle ABC. Here base is BC. So we'll write here BC. Into what is the height? Height is AD. Right, students? Similarly, another triangle. What is the base? My base is QR. And what is the height? Height is PS. Clear, students? What we have done here? So, students, which method we have applied here? So, we have used here first property of similarity. What is that property? Triangles with different base and height. This property we have used here, and this will give you equation number 1. Yes, this will be our first equation. Clear this much? So now next we'll select another two triangles. So this time we'll select this triangle ADB. Here this triangle PSQ. Let us start with this. Now in triangle ADB and another triangle is PSQ. First we need to prove them similar. How we can prove them similar? Let us see. Here the triangle ADB has angle D as 90. So we'll write here angle D is 90. Similarly, in that triangle PSQ, angle S is also 90. Right? Reason? Each angle is 90 degree. Clear, students? Now next one. What do we know? We know that triangle ABC, that larger triangle PQR, both the larger triangles are what? Similar. They are similar means their angles are also equal or same. So I can say angle B is equals to what? Angle Q. Right, students? This also given. Why it is given? since triangles are similar. Now next one. Now what we can see, now we need to write the triangle name. So my first triangle is, let's say triangle DB. What do we left? We left with A. So triangle DBA is similar to, again start with SQ. What do I left? SQP. And the reason is by which test? So this one angle, this also angle. So by angle test of similarity. So by angle test of similarity, I can say both the triangles are similar. Clear, students? Now two triangles are similar. What we can write? Now we can write their corresponding sides. So we'll write here DB upon SQ is equals to BA upon QP. Right, students? And then third one, DA or AD, DA upon SB. Reason is corresponding sides of similar triangle. And this will be my equation number 2. Clear, students? Now what do we know? We know that both the triangles were similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Reason? It is given both are similar. So we can take AB upon PQ is equals to BC upon QR and AC upon PR. This also corresponding sides of similar triangle, and this becomes equation number 3. Now let us compare equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Let us start. Look, in equation number 1, what do we know? BC into AD. So we can write this as BC upon QR and AD upon PS. So this BC upon QR. Let us check BC upon QR in equation number 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll compare these two, these three, 1, 2 and 3 equation. Let us compare them. So here we can write ratio of areas of two triangles. The first triangle is ABC and another triangle is PQR. Now let us compare 1, 2 and 3. BC upon QR. Can you see here BC upon QR in equation number 2? No. Here, yes. BC upon QR is equals to what? It is equals to AB upon PQ. So I can replace BC upon QR as AB upon PQ. Right, students? Similarly, first we have done. Now let us go for second. Second is what? AD upon PS. Let us check where it is. In 2 or 3? AD upon PS in 3 not available. Equation number 2, yes. AD upon PS. Look, this also equals to what? BA or AP, both are same. So AB upon PQ. Again I can write what? AB upon PQ. Right, students? From where? This we got from equation 1, 2 and equation 3. Clear, student? How we got this? Now at last what we can write? We can simply write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equals to AB into AB, AB square upon PQ into PQ, PQ square. Clear, student? So this way we have proved square of first side. Similarly, we can prove squares of remaining two sides as well. So we can write here simply BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Similarly, we can prove them too also. Clear, student? So this was the solution.